All right, today we're jumping into a really fascinating piece of the whole scaling puzzle in crypto.
Yeah.
For years, we've seen this struggle, between the security of Ethereum and the need for more speed.
The classic trade-off.
Exactly, and a lot of faster chains maybe have some question marks around stability, but we're looking at the Shido Network today, which claims it can get around that. Okay, let's unpack this.
Right. And for you, the core thing to grasp here is how they plan to deliver on that very big claim of being the best of both worlds.
So what is it technically?
It's a dual-layer chain. It basically combines two different foundational architectures. So our mission here is really to figure out what makes this structure special and what this big Terra upgrade they're promising is all about.
Okay, so let's look at the right now. The current Shido architecture is, it's a pretty cool hybrid.
It is.
It's built for EVM compatibility, which is huge for developers, right?
Well,
low friction to get on board. But it also grafts on these speed elements from the Cosmos ecosystem.
and this isn't just a white paper. They already have their own permissionless DX running on this foundation today.
Right.
What's fascinating here is how you can think of it as two engines running side by side. The EVM layer gives you the security and the smart contracts.
The Ethereum side of things.
Exactly. While the Cosmos-inspired layer handles all the throughput, the speed. It's like going from a single-lane road to, a multi-lane highway.
Right.
And they're already building apps to take full advantage of it.
You're talking about the AETHERCLOUD and the Aether Zone.
Yeah, those are their purpose-built products.
And Aether Zone, just to be clear for everyone, that's their high-speed explorer. It's their DApp environment, and it's designed specifically for that low latency.
It has to be.
But the real game changer is what's coming next, the Terra Upgrade. And here's where it gets really interesting. This isn't just a small update.
No, this is a full mainnet fork.
Slated for Q1 2026.
And the promise is, well, it's massive. They're talking about delivering Solana-level speed, but keeping Ethereum-level security.
Which, that sounds almost too good to be true.
Frankly, it does. Because historically, speed and security have always been a trade-off.
Yeah.
You get one, you lose some of the other.
So how do they even plan to do it?
The only way you can theoretically pull that off is by completely rethinking how transactions are processed. And that's where their parallel EVM comes into play.
Right. So traditional EVMs, they process everything in a line, one after the other. It's a bottleneck.
The Kohler bottleneck.
But parallel EVM lets transactions that don't conflict with each other get processed all at once, simultaneously.
And that's the technological leap that gives you the aha moment in your sources. The performance benchmarks they're aiming for they're staggering.
What are the numbers?
Over 20,000 transactions per second. 20,000 TPS.
Wow.
But the metric that really matters for, the user experience is finality. How fast your transaction is confirmed for good. The upgrade is promising finality in under 500 milliseconds.
Sub 500 milliseconds. That's practically instant.
It feels instant.
So that kind of finality combined with a 20,000 TPS engine, that completely changes what an application like the Aether Zone can even do. It just removes latency from the equation.
Yeah, and if we connect this to the bigger picture, having that kind of speed with strong sub-half-second finality, it just redefines what's possible for dApps.
What kind of things?
We're talking about, real-time financial settlements, high-frequency trading on-chain, decentralized gaming that actually feels competitive and immediate. These are things that have really been limited to centralized servers until now.
So it makes secure real-time DeFi actually viable.
That's the idea.
Absolutely. Okay, so here's a final provocative thought for you to consider, just building on all this. If the Shido Terra upgrade really does deliver secure transaction finality in under half a second, does that change everything? Does it fundamentally shift which programming languages or frameworks developers across the entire industry will start to prioritize for the next generation of dApps? Thank you for letting us guide you through your sources in this deep dive into the Shido Network. We appreciate you joining us.